Hello students. Today in this video we shall see the steps to draw the ray diagram of convex mirror. In case of convex mirror, we have two cases for the formation of image. The first, when the object lies at infinity, all the light rays which are coming parallel to the principal axis get diverged from the mirror after reflection. When we extend these rays in the backward direction, they meet at a point called as principal focus. Thus, the light after reflection appears to be coming from the point which lies on the other side of the mirror. The second case is when we place the object anywhere in front of the mirror, we get a virtual erect and diminished image on the other side of the mirror. So now we shall see how to draw the ray diagrams stepwise for the second case. Draw principal axis. Convex mirror is to be drawn. Proper shading is required. Pole is to be marked. Principal focus F and center of curvature C are to be marked properly. The object AB is drawn. The incident ray parallel to principal axis gets diverged. When extended, it appears to be coming from focus. The ray of light which goes along the center of curvature retraces its path. Where the two rays meet, we have the position of the image, that is A', B'. This image is virtual, erect and diminished. Finally, we mark the focal length F, the image distance V and the object distance U in the diagram. So these are the steps in which we draw the ray diagram for convex mirror. Be careful, where the actual ray moves, we draw it by solid line, and where we are extending the ray, which is an imaginary line, that is to be shown by dotted line. So here in the diagram you can see the rays of light on the left hand side of the mirror are drawn with solid lines, whereas the lines on the right side of the mirror are all with the dotted lines. This implies that no ray is actually going beyond the mirror, but they are just the lines which are drawn by construction. Practice this ray diagram stepwise as shown in the video. Good luck.